In a darkened laboratory, forgotten by time and humanity, Dr. Ethan Harrow sat hunched over his array of screens, each flickering with the grotesque results of his experiments. His lab was filled with disturbing medical instruments that had witnessed unspeakable horrors of their time. Echoes of eerie, haunting music seeped into the ambience, laying a chilling foundation for what was to come. Dr. Harrow was a man obsessed, a genius turned mad by his insatiable quest to unlock the secrets of human potential. His ultimate goal was to transcend natural limitations, to create a being of unparalleled power and intellect. Ethan's deep-set eyes glistened with a feverish light as he watched the monitors, charting the vitals and psychic responses of his latest subject. Tonight, the culmination of his work would either be his greatest triumph or his doom. The lab doors creaked open, and the operating theater's cold, antiseptic light flooded the room. Strapped to the operating table lay a young man, unconscious and unknowing of the fate that awaited him. Harrow meticulously prepared his instruments, his movements precise and almost ritualistic. With each incision and injection, he muttered scientific jargon, his excitement barely contained. However, as the experiment progressed, the young man's body began to convulse violently. Monitors beeped erratically, warning alarms blared, and the laboratory seemed to come alive with discordant chaos. The room was soon filled with an unnatural light, and before Harrow's eyes, his subject began to transform. Muscles bulged and bones reshaped with sickening cracks, flesh tearing and reforming. What emerged on the table was no longer a man, but a grotesque monstrosity, eyes burning with unrestrained malevolence. Dr. Harrow stood frozen, a mix of terror and awe washing over him. He had succeeded beyond his wildest nightmares, creating a creature that embodied pure terror. But his triumph was short-lived. The creature broke free from its restraints with terrifying strength, turning its gaze upon its creator. In that instant, Dr. Harrow realized the catastrophic error of his hubris. As the creature advanced, the scene faded to black. The final shot was of a shattered laboratory, vacant and silent, save for an ominous growl echoing in the distance, leaving viewers wondering what had become of Dr. Ethan Harrow and his